Hey Kansas City, happy 2023. As we look at the housing market from 2022, we also want to get a shout out to our Kansas City Chiefs that we will be hosting right here in Kansas City for the AFC Championship this Sunday. Now, when we look at the overall housing market from 2021 compared to 2022, we did end the year with around 11% less homes sold and 31% more homes for sale on the market, which means there were 31% more homes available for buyers to choose from as we wrapped up the year compared to the end of 2021. What market is that perfect for? Well, if you've been someone who's waiting to purchase because you need to sell your house to use those funds in order to purchase your next house, this might be the right time. As the market starts to slow just a touch in homes selling, that does give you the opportunity to have those contingencies. So if you have any questions on the housing market, feel free to give us a call. Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Kansas City and Keller Williams. And by all means, get out and cheer for those Chiefs this Sunday.